Hi, this is Ashok Robert, a Google Merchant Center expert, working in this field since 2021. Today I am showing you how to share your Google Merchant Center access to another one. Let's see. First, you click on Settings icon on Merchant Center. Click on People and Access. Click on Add Person. Address mail. Click on Next. Which access you want to give? There are three types of access: admin, standard, and performance. Okay, I want to give him standard access. If you want to give him admin, you can click on, but I want to right now standard access. Add user. The user got mail or notification, please click on Gmail and click accept. And you can see this merchant center is already okay. I can show this 86 last two digit and check 86 last two digit. It's very simple. Thank you for watching.